I take heads up. And I take heads up. I got some new kid. I got some new swag. I got some new pay.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mesel if you are new, and this video is a wig installation video. I have my hair in cornrows, and the wig I'm going to be installing today is from Mam's Wigs. I got this wig a while back, but I haven't unboxed it because I really wanted to film the whole process for you guys to see. I accidentally ripped the bag a bit, so this is not how it came. It came in perfect condition. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing the wig. The unit I have here with me is a 5x5 curly water weave unit. I think I'm right. I can't really recall, but like it's curly. It's a curly hair basically. It's a custom unit, and I showed her what I wanted and she delivered just that. So this is a 20-inch curly unit and a 5x5 closure. I'm just trying to show you guys the lace. I believe it is transparent lace and not HD lace. This is how it came right off the pack. As you can see, I unboxed it on camera for you guys. The hairline is so beautiful and is so well plucked. It came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, exactly how I asked for. It's a very beautiful unit, and I'm just here showing you guys the lace and how beautiful it looks and how beautiful the plucking is. The hair is very bouncy, very big head friendly because the cap is quite big. I'm just here sizing it for you guys. It really fit my head perfectly, and it didn't have any like combs of other stuff inside that may like give you a headache when you wear the wig for a long time. It was just a band and it was really secure on my head. I really liked how the hair was looking right out of the pack. Also, before I forget to say, this wig is 3 bundles and a closure, so it's really full, and it's exactly how I wanted, and I love it so much. Alright, so because I was going to have this installed for quite a while, I wanted to go in and moisturize my scalp first. So I just went ahead and put on some oil. This oil is amla oil. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry, but it's amla oil, and I just basically put it on my scalp and I just massage it into my head. After that, I put in some hair milk. I am not sure of the brand, but I'm going to confirm later and put it in the description box. You can go ahead and check the description box if you want to get this. I just put a small amount on my palm and just massaged it into my scalp. This hair milk is really moisturizing, guys. I love this hair milk so much, and for my natural hair girls, I would recommend this for you. It is anti-dandruff, and then it is also so moisturizing. Alright, next I just put on my wig cap. I folded my hair like this just so that the back would not be excessively bulky, because I just felt like having all the hair just being there at the back would just make it unnecessarily full. So I folded it in this manner, and then I don't know, it actually turned out really flat. I was really happy with how it turned out. I was even surprised. Then next I went in with some edge wax. This is the edge wax you find at any supermarket in Nigeria. It's really good for fussy girls like me. So I just pushed all my baby hairs to the back just so that it would not be left out and then stick to the glue, and just I don't want to lose any of my baby hairs. Then when I was done with that, I just adjusted the cap forward and just moved it how I wanted it to be and had it how I liked. After that, I went ahead and put some powder on the lace just so that it's going to be a better match to my skin. Although I failed with this portion because I still felt like the lace was a bit lighter, but I just went ahead and put on some powder, to achieve a more skin-like finish. This is how it was looking after I applied the powder, and I really liked how I did it and how it turned out. Alright, then next I went ahead and put some glue on my forehead. Honestly, this is my first install, like you saw on the thumbnail, and this was so tactical for me, this glue part. I watched a bunch of tutorials and I still didn't get the hang of it. I just used a ratio comb and spread out the glue. It was a bit too much, so I had to wipe out some, as you can see here. It was such a hard thing. This process was so hard for me. I just went ahead and I used a blow dryer on cool actually to just make the glue tacky, and then I went ahead and put on a second layer like I saw in all the tutorials I watched. Okay, I don't know why I'm putting in a second layer. I just did it because that is what I learned on tutorials. Okay, then I went in with my blow dryer again on cool and just made the glue tacky, and according to tutorials I watched, the glue when it's clear, that's how you know it's tacky. Okay, then after that I just adjusted the lace how I liked, and then I used a ratio comb to make sure that it was just the lace that was sticking and not the hair. Okay, then I started cutting the lace, and you guys, this process was so tactical because I didn't have a mirror in front of me, so my mirror was like at my side, and I wanted to get it on camera for you guys. I didn't want my hand to block the whole cutting, so like I was really struggling. At a point I even tried to cut it on camera like this, but I started to cut a bit of the hair and I was like, oh my god. So I just respected myself and put my mirror on my lap and I cut the lace to my liking. And this is how it was looking after I cut it. I just went in with some got-to-be spray and corrected any lifting I noticed in the lace. You don't want them to see the lace, girl. You want that lace to be melted. And then I went in with my blow dryer on warm actually, and I just used my ratio comb and pressed down any lifting I noticed, and I just went on with this process until I felt like the lifting was corrected. After this I just went in with my melt belt. I think that's what they call it, I'm not sure, but it's basically this elastic band, and I just tied it to my forehead and left it there so that the lace would really melt. Then I started moisturizing the curls, if that's what I'm going to call it. I just put on some water in this spray bottle here. It's water and conditioner that's in it actually, and I just went in and I was really generous with the water. I then started patting it actually, just so that I'm going to have like a more even out distribution, and I went in with some more conditioner again after the water, and I also went in with some mousse after this whole process just to set the curls in place. And I was showing you guys like the difference between the side that I had finished hydrating, if that's how I'll call it. Like this, as you can see, this side I just finished hydrating is looking longer than the side that is still dry, and I really loved the way it looked on this hair. This is how it was looking when I was done with both sides. It was really, I was just blushing because I really loved how these curls were looking. They were so beautiful, honestly. I went ahead and I took off the band, and girl, this lace was melted. You can't even lie, I really tried for my first time. Like, come on, look at the lace. Where is it? You don't know. Oh my god, I'm just joking. The lace is actually a bit obvious just because it was a bit lighter than me, but we worked around it. I used some alcohol and I just wiped off the glue that was on my forehead, and then I went in with my melt belt again just so that it would be laid to perfection. Okay, then this is how the lace was looking after I took off the melt belt the second time. It was gorgeous, it was beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I ended up not doing any baby hairs because I don't know, I just feel like I have a small forehead in my opinion, and I feel like it's just going to look a lot on my face. And this hair is really full, it's really nice and I really like it. The lace is a bit light, and as you can see the lace a bit, and as I said, as you can see from the title and thumbnail, this is my first install and hopefully with time I'm going to get better. But it's looking, honestly, for my first time, it's actually quite good. And like I said, it's a closure wig, so when I do like this, you can tell that it's a wig. So just keep it like this if you're installing a closure wig on yourself. And yeah, this is how it's looking. I like it. Tell me what you think in the comments, and please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just leaving a comment for me as well, and turn on your post notifications. Okay, see you guys in my next one. Bye.